Hi friends, welcome to Aruna's English. Today our topic is common errors. Now I have given you wrong sentence and right sentence. Now observe one by one. First one, the police has arrested the thief. That is wrong. The police have arrested the thief. Instead of has, we have to write have because we have to treat police as plural. Second one, where is the spectacles? That is wrong. Correct is, where are the spectacles? We have to write are because spectacles are treated as plural in number. Third one, the authorities auctioned all the furnitures. That is wrong. The authorities auctioned all the furniture because even though many things are there, we have to treat all the things as one, only furniture. We should not say furnitures. There are over 100 sheep in the herd. There are over 100 sheep in the herd because there is no plural for sheep. Singular and plural both are sheep only, as fruit, fish, etc. For fish also plural is fish. For fruits also plural is fruit. Next, the cattle was grazing in the field. This is wrong. We have to write were because we have to treat cattle as plural. Because in cattle there are number of animals. That's why we have to treat it plural. Sixth one, alms are given to the beggars. Here alms. Alms is the things or the money, the thing or whatever it may be is given to the beggars. Even though alms s is there, we should not treat it as plural. Alms is given to the beggars. There is no place in this compartment. That is wrong. What is the correct thing? There is no room in this compartment. The reason is in rails or in buses or in any other places, especially vehicles, we should not say place. We have to say room. That's why there is no room in this compartment. We have to say like that. We should not say there is no place in this compartment. Okay. Next one. All my family members attended the meeting. This is wrong. All the members of my family attended the meeting. Next one. Intermediate is a 2 years course. Not years. We have to mention year. Even though plural 2 years, but we have to say 2-year course. Next one. We are fearing our teacher. We should not say fearing. We fear our teacher because the verb fear, it is not used in continuous tense. We should not use this verb in continuous tense. Next, he described about the incident. Here we should not write about after the described. We have to write he described the incident. Not only describe, for discuss, enter, for those things also we should not write after that one about. You must concentrate your mind on your work. This is wrong. We have to write you must concentrate on your work. You must concentrate on your work. Because already concentrate means we have to keep our mind on that particular thing or any topic. Again, no need to say our mind, because concentrate means we are keeping the mind. He has ordered for 2 cups of coffee. He has ordered 2 cups of coffee. No need to write that preposition for after ordered. Next, he did not attend the dinner last night. There we have to write he did not attend the dinner. Sorry, it is given that is wrong. He did not attend the dinner is right. No need to write the preposition to. Next one, I am having a problem. That is wrong. Just we have to say I have a problem. Next, the milk is tasting sour. No need to say in continuous tense. The milk tastes sour. She has been learning English for 2010. That is wrong. We have to say she has been learning English since 2010, because 2010 is a point of time. So we have to write the adverb of time, that is since. Next, I love the nature. No need to write the article the before nature. Just I love nature is enough. Chinese is more difficult than any language in the world. That is wrong. Chinese is more difficult than any other language in the world. Because here we are comparing this Chinese language to other languages. So that's why after that one, after any we have to write other. Next one, the book should not exceed more than 200 pages. That is wrong. The correct sentence is, the book should not exceed than 200 pages. Here exceed means beyonding. Again, no need to use of than. Just we have to write exceed than. No need to write more. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.